What a great value! Come see this desirable home and holiday travel park, Englewood. This 55-plus community has so many great amenities for a low monthly fee of just $105. Amenities include a community boat ramp, water and sewer, lawn mowing, pest control, in-ground pool, clubhouse for community activities, bocce, shuffleboard, waterfront park, security gate and optional boat/RV storage. What a great location, just minutes from Englewood's pristine beaches on Manasota Key. Many shops, restaurants, medical facilities, recreation and entertainment options are just around the corner. This home is being sold turnkey furnished and offers an outdoor paved driveway and patio, spacious enclosed Florida room, inside washer and dryer and updated flooring throughout. In addition to the bedroom, there is another